Hi everybody, welcome back to my academic English writing. I do believe that you have watched the previous video about paragraph. Okay, for today's lesson, we will get to know what an essay is. But before starting to talk about an essay, let me revise what a paragraph is. A paragraph is the basic unit of organization in writing in which a group of related sentences discuss and develop one main idea. A paragraph consists of three important elements: the topic sentence, the supporting sentences, and the concluding sentence. Okay, so let me start with an essay. An essay is a piece of writing several paragraphs instead of just one or two paragraphs. It is written about one topic. However, the topic of an essay is too complicated to discuss in one paragraph. That's why the topic of an essay must be divided into several paragraphs, and one for each major point. After that, all the separated paragraphs must be tied together by an introduction at the beginning and a conclusion at the end. Finally, the group of organized paragraphs is called an essay. An essay also consists of three important parts: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. So by here, I do believe that you can see the similarity and the differences between a paragraph and an essay. The similarity between a paragraph and an essay is that a paragraph consists of three important elements: the topic sentence, the supporting sentences, and the concluding. Similarly, an essay also consists of three important parts: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. But the differences between a paragraph and an essay is that a paragraph is normally shorter because it is just a group of organized sentences, while an essay is longer than a paragraph because an essay is a group of organized paragraphs. Okay? Another one is all the sentences of a paragraph must be linked from one another, but the paragraph of an essay from one to another have to be separated. All right? Okay, so I hope that you have understood very well and get to know the differences and similarity between a paragraph and an essay. If you have got any question about paragraph and essay, ping me a comment and I'll try my best to answer. Okay? So I think that's all for today's lesson, and I hope to see you again in the next video, in which we are going to discuss more specifically about each part of an essay. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, and follow my page if you wish to get more video. That's all for today's lesson, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.